Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.